Hello, my name is Manish. I'm a cryo student and I'm a coding teacher in Bright Chance. So I'm here to answer a JavaScript question that what is the difference between dot notation and square bracket notation and how to use them and what is the difference between both of them. So dot notation and square bracket notation are both used to access an item in an object. We know that we can use object to write different properties and add different data items, and if you want to access that, there is two different operations. We can say that two different methods are there, that is dot notation and square bracket notation. Both of them are a bit different with each other, and the purpose of both of them are same, that they used to access the object, or we can say properties from an object. So if you're going to talk about the first one, that is dot notation. So dot notation is termed as a simple one that is used to uh, take properties from an object. We can use dot method. So I have created an object that is person, in which I have given certain values like name, Manish, and all that. If I want to take any value, like if I want to take the value of phone number, so I have to write the object name, and after that I have to use this dot and then type the property name. We can see the different properties coming, so I have to just type the property name, that is phone number, and in that case we can print that property. In that case, it has given me the value of the property that I have accessed. And I can see I have also created a nested object in which I have type addresses like that. And in that case, if I want to take like this, so I have to just type the first property, that is addresses, and I type again dot. And in that, if I want to take any different property like this, I can access that also like this. And in the case of square bracket, in that case we have to use the square bracket instead of using dot. We have to type the object name, then we have to use the square bracket. Only difference is we have to use a quotation mark, like in that. We can use any property, like if I want to access the age, I can use like this. In that case, I can use this property. And I can use, if I want to use the nested properties, in the first case, I have to type the first property, that is addresses. And after that, I can use one more square bracket and then type the next property that I want to access, like locality in this case. So both of them are very like similar in terms of accessing a property, but a bit syntax is different. And in the using square notation, we can also take out any variable. Like if we can assign any property into a variable, we can use access using the square notation, but it is not possible with the dot notation. And there is one more difference is like that. In any case, suppose if I just type here like first name, if I want to use any spaces and any like that kind of things, it is very hard for us to use with a dot name like this. So for that, I can use this quotation mark, and if I want to use this with my dot notation, it is not possible. So it will always give me an error, and in that case I have to use always dot notation, square bracket notation. So in that case, square bracket notation is very useful in case of non-valid identifier, and in the case of non-valid identifier we can always use our square bracket notation. So that is a basic difference between both. Thank you.